Everyone, welcome back to another Shumples Plays video. Today I'm once again joined by a very good friend, Vanessa. Say hello.
Hello.
And we are playing Murder Mystery today.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
Don't worry. Come on.
So if you would like to see Vanessa on this channel, consider maybe liking and subscribing because we could have her on the channel a lot more.
Yay. I sounded so weird when I said
You did.
Okay, let's go in here.
But remember, everyone, even okay, yeah, yoink, help,
No! Get back here!
help,
No!
it's Elf Girl, help, it's Elf Girl.
Aw, don't call me. Aw. It's okay. Shh. Oh, crap.
Eh,
I just want to kill people, bro.
that's not a very good thing to say on YouTube, especially when people can cut it out and post it elsewhere.
I'm sorry.
Why do I hear boss music?
No!
Huh.
Aw, man.
Thank gosh that didn't go on any longer. Why? I trusted you.
I'll get you on next.
I trusted you. You were the chosen one,
I know.
Anakin. You're supposed to destroy the murderers,
I
not
know.
join them.
I literally tried bringing him, but man, I was too slow. You want to die?
In a matter
Oh my
of
gosh.
fact, I do not want by. I'm gonna stare into
Oh,
this.
there's a bunny girl. Stare into the abyss.
For the bit.
Okay, this time I got in. Oh God.
Okay, I don't trust you anymore. Yeah.
I just shut someone in a room and left them there.
That's cruel.
I'm like, period. Okay. Who is the murderer? Oh, here's the bunny girl.
Okay, so everybody over here I know is safe.
Oh, I hear a gun. And I hear the sheriff. I keep going in circles. Like, I'm so scared. How do I get out of this place?
I'm keeping my eye out on that one.
I see a dead body. Oh my God, there's another dead. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No. I seen two bodies.
Why did that person? I was literally AFK, not moving for literally like 1 minute there, and they didn't take that chance. Yes, my backup is here.
I'm so scared. Literally, I saw two bodies. No, that's so bad. Oh, I found my way out. Yay. Oh.
Yeah, this is not.
No.
Did you die?
Yeah, she threw the knife at me.
She was aiming for the bacon as well.
I know.
Hey guys, I think we should take this time to support our to support Bacon Lives Matters right now.
Oh God.
That is probably gonna stir up controversy, isn't it? I feel like that would.
Yeah. Oh my God. I'm so bad at the game. Like, I can already just see the comments like, oh my gosh. Oh.
Okay, where's the gun? Where's the gun? The gun. Oh, wait. That lady must have picked up the gun.
Oh, no.
Do you know the gun?
Imagine the murderer can pick it up. Like, that'd be, like, awful.
It'd be overpowered. Speaking of which, why can't they?
I mean, like...
Where's the gun? If she doesn't have it, then where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is.
We should, like, have, like, a private server and just invite all of our friends. That'd be so...
Okay. Yeah, it would, actually. Okay, I have the gun now. Oh my god.
I hear victory sounds.
No, the game was over. My crosshair was literally on her. I was about to click. But no, it had in-game that split second.
No. Alright, I'm gonna try to vote for him now. Let's see. Ooh, we should do the hospital. Hospital is nice.
Okay. I'm going to sneeze.
Alright. I'm ready. Ready. Hey, I gotta tell you something.
It's real estate.
What am I? Okay. Oh my god, this person. I have no idea what's happening. What is that?
I'm turning off my audio. I don't know if that is safe. I now don't know if this video might come out or not. Who knows now?
Oh my god. I'm turning down my volume too.
There's a mute button.
So are you share for anything?
I would have to stop the recording and check. Who knows? Maybe it might still come out, so.
Oh my god. This game's like so bad. Look at this dude over here. See that? He looks so angry.
Do you blame him? He looks like he just got slapped with a fish.
Yeah. Oh, receptionist office. Hello, is there any injured people?
Help me.
I'm working at the front desk.
Help me.
What's your emergency?
I can't stop T-posing.
Oh, okay. Well, come in this room. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait, just go past. She kind of scared me. I was
is she my doctor or...
No. That is not your doctor. You're gonna see Dr. Nicholas. Nicholas? I don't know. Alright, just go in that closet and there's...
My hat pops out.
Oh god. Wait, there's a vent behind you. Like, get out. You should be fine now. Your hat pops out, so does... Oh god. Alright, I'm going in the vent. I'm sus. Oh yeah.
That turned out a long time ago. If I was murdered, I would have killed you.
Oh jeez. Oh! Yeah.
Now that the murder's I can pick up the knife.
Oh jeez. Oh wow.
I don't know if that is a movie like that, but imagine if that was a movie where the murder was killed, and near the end of the movie.
Bacon is hero. Bacon is hero. Bacon.
Bacon lives matter. Bacon lives matter. Bacon lives matter.
Oh, God. Don't start a protest.
I want everybody to raid Roblox servers just as Bacon's.
I want everyone that's watching the video to comment Bacon's. Bacon's rule.
Yes. I have a 22% chance to be murderer
Shrimples, where are you at?
I'm in, it looks like a not a recording room, looks like a server room or something.
Uh-huh, I'm gonna find you. Stab! I'm joking.
I don't think you are joking.
Stab! Oh, yeah. So, I found Santa Claus. Hello, Santa Claus.
I'm trash.
Oh, and a dude. Are you an elf? Hey, I'm an elf. I can work for you.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Stab.
I found the perfect hiding place. Look, it's a little secret room down here.
That wasn't there last time. Whoa.
See, and then you can like come
Are
in.
you sure you should be down here with me? Stab. You were murderer.
Yes, you should have seen the betrayal. Should have seen the betrayal in your face.
How dare you! You betrayed me. I guess that's fair though. But how dare you?
Trying to make myself not look suspicious by like collecting coins and stuff.
Wow. Well, suspicious guy murdered 10 million. You murdered so many people. There's literally like 8 people here.
I murdered 2 people. You and some other random guy.
2? There's so many people.
They could have left.
True. Are you getting shot? I hear. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be like some other stupid game murders. I'm not gonna camp the gun for the next hour and a half. Now where is that bacon? Bacon lives matter, so that he has to be killed too.
Oh God.
It's only fair, right?
I don't know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
What?
I found a recording booth, which had like a camera and saying subscribe. Oh my God, he was right there.
No.
GG,
there's a couple in the. Ooh.
That was a good round. I mostly liked it because I killed you.
Dang.
Did that actually scare you?
Yeah. Wait, okay, I'm gonna vote for the hotel. Hotel. Yeah. No! Come on,
Imagine if I get
hotel's not gonna win.
Imagine if I get sheriff this round. No, stop.
Let me.
No.
Let me in, please. All right. Stab.
Oh my God.
I just.
Are
you sheriff or her?
Oh my God. I'm innocent.
I do not trust you. Ah! No! Stay away from me! No! Stay away!
I closed the other exit, Vanessa.
No! I'm so scared.
Now that I have you cornered here, I can now. Hold on.
Can you just throw the knife at me?
I can now T-pose on you. Oops, that's wrong emote.
No.
Oh! Ah!
What? Oh, Bacon's murder! I looked behind me and I saw Bacon with the knife. Oh.
I died.
Bacon.
I died.
Bacon.
Is that karma? Is that considered karma?
That's for.
Well, that lasted
Oh
short.
yeah, victory.
Well then.
Oh my gosh. That was scary.
Remember when the sear was like the rarest knife in the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember getting it when it was still the rarest of the rarest. Then I remember all these knives coming out and it's only like medium rare now. I was like, I'm talking about like steak.
Hey, I gotta tell you a secret. Come here.
No.
I gotta tell you a secret. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here.
Did you
Vanessa,
know?
back me up.
Okay, I'll back.
Get out of here.
Oh my.
I feel bad for that.
Okay.
Oh my god, I found a hiding place. Nothing new, but I found a
Hey,
hiding.
Shumples, where you at?
Your mom.
Where you at? Huh? Where you at?
Your mom.
No. Where you at? I ran into the murderer. I managed to escape. Oh! Never mind, I died. I wanna spectate. No.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm spectating. Oh, I'm spectating. Wow, that's the lamest hiding spot ever. In the garage with the car. You should ride that car out of here.
I should.
You should. Are you stuck?
Maybe.
Oh my. You're stuck. No. That's. Alright, going on to the next person. Oh, there's a reindeer girl hiding behind some boxes. There's a person looking around the corner. Oh, Sheriff! Yeah! Let's go! Sheriff! Oh, wow, that was... Oh.
Okay. Well, that was fun.
Alright.
Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here for today. If you'd like to see more of Murder Mystery or maybe even other games, put them in the comments, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye.
Bye!